Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. Back in my video on kitchen essentials about cutting boards, some of you had asked if I would show you, because I mentioned it in the video, we would show you how Evan resurfaced a cutting board. And that's why these are here. This one was resurfaced, both sides. And this one was really messed up. It's very, very old. This is a piece of mahogany. And this is bamboo. And so this video is all about how he did this work. Okay?
I'm going to start off with telling you what type of sandpapers you need. You will need a 60 grit sandpaper. You also need an 80 grit, a 120 grit. Well, a 220 is what I found just laying around Dad's workshop, and I just use that as a finishing paper. Okay, so that was just a quick clip of me getting started with this board. So I'm just going to be sanding with the grain. I am not a professional carpenter, and if anybody out there who's watching this is like, you're doing it wrong, I'm sorry. I'm just doing the best I can here. You want to sand it until, at least I sanded it, until all of the knife scratches were gone. So you see me getting close to it right there to see if there's any more sections that I missed. You want to be using the 60 grit until all of the knife cuts are gone. And then that's when you change to the 80 to make it just a little bit more smooth. And don't forget to turn your piece over. You want to sand both sides. You could probably sand all 6 sides. I didn't sand all 6. I just sanded the 2 cutting surfaces. Again, I'm just going with the grain. I went with the grain with all of the different grits of sandpaper. So after I did the 60, I did the 80, and then after I did the 80, I did the 120, and then after I did the 120, I went to the 220, and that was my finishing paper. This just makes it nice, buttery smooth. Just have a very nice finish, And then I just put some oil. This is just some mineral oil that I picked up from Amazon. It will be in our Amazon recommendations if you guys want to pick it up. This is just some mineral oil for cutting boards that we got. And you want to oil all 6 sides of the cutting board every day for a week. After that, you want to do it every month. This is just my first application. I didn't record me doing all of the applications, but this is just a rag, just an old cut up t-shirt that we have. I only did the front of this cutting board, but you want to do, like I said, all 6 sides of it. And that's basically it. That's all I did to give it a nice, good finish. So yeah, I guess that's it.
Wow! Didn't he do a good job with that? Make sure you let him know, because you can leave comments right below. I rhymed, wasn't that pretty good? Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on that bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And so until next time, Troopers, bye for now.